Hey, the dogs are loving the snow this morning from the winter storm PAX. Birds are feeding like crazy. You can see what that looks like over there. The top of that feeder there. Yeah, they're having a good old time. And that's a Great Pyrenees there, our dog Sky, and Australian cattle dog, Lady. They're both rescue dogs there, so we hope you all have a great day. Looks like they're having a fantastic day. It's a great day to be out in the mountains of Western Carolina enjoying the snow.